Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, if it's your first time here, thank you so much for joining us. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Right, it's your girl Naika. Today's video is going to be about an unboxing of something that I got from Vanity Planet. So Vanity Planet is like a kind of like a skincare slash, skincare website. So it's a lot of things that has been related to skincare. Well, at least that's what I get on their site for. Ask me if I've drilled into anything else that's on there. I'm guilty for not doing it, but yes. So I got something on there that I felt like I wanted and really liked. So I haven't seen it yet. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we are about to get right into opening up this box. And you guys are gonna see exactly what I got, right? So alright, let's just get into it. So this is the size of the box, just so you guys should know. This is the size of the box. So I mean, I wasn't sure how big the product was, but now I'm having a feeling that it's pretty big. But I will find a spot to put it, and at the end of the video I'm gonna show you guys where I put it, right? So let me take out all of these extra papers that they always throw in with the packaging and everything. Am I opening this up right? Oh, I am. Okay, so this part, I am opening this up. Okay, so I'm opening it up, and inside is the actual box for the product. So I'm just gonna flip it upside down because I'm not gonna try to. All right, so are you guys ready for the big reveal? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so what I decided to get and what I really wanted, and I mean, some of you guys probably always wanted one or was interested in getting one also. It is a skincare fridge. Oh my god. So I have a lot of little skincare stuff and serums and things like that, and I've wanted a place to put it all. And I was just like, oh my god, like, I mean, I have room in my dresser that I can put it, but at the same time I was like, it would be really nice to just have it in a nice little fridge, keep them nice and cool, more effect on your skin, you know. So this is what it is, and I got it from Vanity Planet, guys. Vanity Planet. So if you guys want a skincare fridge, check it out. Check it out. Check it out from Vanity Planet. They do have certain services for you guys, like Afterpay if you want to break out the payments if you want, and they always do have discounts. So you know, it's a little bit of money, but you know, it's up to what you guys prefer. And I believe they have two colors. I'm a rose gold kind of girl, so I got me rose gold, and then I believe there's a white. So my Vanity's rose gold. It's like rose gold. So this was perfect for my Vanity, you know. So I was like, all right, I'll do that. So let us open this up. My skincare fridge, and see what it looks like in person. How about that? Okay. So let's do this. All right. So. Ooh, okay, so it has a styrofoam around. Oh, okay. So the styrofoam is not like a permanent styrofoam, so I can take that out. And then it comes with a plastic. Oh god, I don't want to take it out the plastic. Okay, hold on, let me see what it. Okay. Alright, so this is the box. It's done. And I'm going to take it out the plastic. Oh my god, so this is what it looks like, guys. This is my skincare fridge. So cute. So cute. So this is what the skincare fridge looks like. It came with some stuff inside. Yes. So this is like the shelving, and then it has a course, the plug. To put it in before I even break anything. Let me just cut it out. Alright, so this is the shelving for it. Alright, so let me show you guys. So this is inside, like it's super bright. So this is inside. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn my camera and have it facing. Alright, there we go. So this is the skincare fridge. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna put the shelving in it. Do I have it upside down? Okay, it comes with the little handles if you just want to take it to go, like you want to pick it up and carry it, which that's so cute. Right, so I'm gonna open it up. Right, it has, of course, the two little knobs here for like shelving and everything. So these are the two shelves that came with it. So I'm gonna put them in there. Hopefully I do this right. Is this right? Can it close? Okay, it is right. Okay, guys, don't be the one. Let me see if I can. Yes, okay, it's right. It's right. So I have my option if I want to put both shelves or if I want to just put one shelf at the top. So, I mean, what I did was I bought out a few of my like skincare serums and things like that. Now I know this is not gonna fit here, right? So I can put this underneath here. Now the question is there anything that I can fit up there? No. You know what? I might alternate. So I might put a bottom shelf. Let me see if it makes a difference with the bottom shelf, which we're experimenting here. No, it doesn't make a difference, but I have a few things that I use skincare wise, and I'm just gonna put them in there just for now. I may eventually change this around, see what it is I want. I may have like the small skincare moisturizer and like, you know, or like certain things that I want to put at the bottom, like the round containers. But right now I like all my serums and stuff that I use, I want to put them up on the shelf so that way, you know. So let's see how much stuff could fit in here. Like I said, it's two shelves. So if if you want, you can do both shelves, especially if you have short things that are like small serums that you know is going to fit, and there's not gonna be any blockage because of the tips of the serums. Then yeah, then definitely do that. So this is a skin. It's an oil for skin sensitivity and relieves any irritation. I don't use it all the time, but you know, like summertime and stuff like that, like comes. And you know that your skin is sensitive from heat and things like that, you know, you can use this. It's from Pure Heals, right? So I'm gonna put that in the back, and then I have a trio set from Fasarili. I'm probably, guys, I'm really bad at this. Fasarili, whatever. One of them is liquid glass, one is rose gold elixir, one is unicorn essence. So it is a, like, you know, so all of these are serums, right? So the rose gold elixir is 24 karat infused beauty oil. Yes, 24 karat infused beauty oil. And then the skin enhancing antioxidant serum. And then the liquid glass is a radiance mixed skin serum. So these, you know, they're like, you know, I try to mix and match. Not all of them is my go-to. If you guys are aware of Glow Recipe, I love the Glow Recipe brand. One of their things is, I don't even want to put this close, right? So the Glow Recipe brand. So one of their things, this is a pineapple brightening serum. We've all gotten this in, like, well, a lot of us have gotten this if you're a part of BoxyCharm or like BoxyCharm boxes. Like I've gotten this in there, right? And I actually like it. It does smell like pineapple. Another one that I really like is from Sweet Chef. Sweet Chef is a vitamin A serum shot with beet. It's beets. I love it. It refines the pores and it soothes your rough skin. So I really like this serum. Actually, if you guys can see, I use it all the time. It is not filled. It's like basically almost halfway done. So I'm trying to savor it. Take my time. If you get what I'm saying, take my time. Right. Another thing is, this is another Brilliance Facial Oil. Actually, when I got this, I didn't understand what it was for at all, but I still ended up using it anyway. I do like the way that it feels. It has sweet almond oil in it. But it is, you know, suitable for vegetarians and vegans. Oh, that's nice. But I just use it as a nice, like it's a hydration, getting the right proper oils in your skin. I don't use it anything specific for, you know, like, you know, improving any skincare in terms of, like, if you have any problems with your skin. I don't use it specifically for that. I just use it as like a nice hydration oil for your skin. Um, Another thing is a skin therapy facial oil. So I have used this. I've stopped using it. It's literally you just massaging it into your skin. This is another one that I use as like another hydration for your skin. It's good for your skin to absorb some really good oils for your skin. I keep saying skin. Right, put that in the front. If you guys know me and from my other videos, I am a huge 111 skin girl. A huge 111 skin girl. So I always use vitamin C brightening booster, the pollution defense booster, and the ATP sports booster. So all of these three are my go-tos. I love them. 111 Skin is a really great brand. So I know that these are my go-tos and I know I'm going to use them. So I'm going to, of course, put them in the forefront. And then the last thing but not least is a tomato serum. It's so funny because when I saw this, I was like, tomato serum? What does this do? Still don't know what it does. I actually haven't used it yet. So I guess when I do start using it, and because I was like, you know what? This is something that I might add to my skincare routine. Let me just put it in there. Let me, you know, have it in my forefront, because if I don't see it, I'm not going to use it, you know. So I do have a variety of oils that I use on a regular. So yeah, guys. So this is my, and I'm just going to make sure you fit good. Right. Right. And it even still has a little bit more room left on the shelf to add anything else. So, and I do have like one or two more things that I believe in my room that I can add in, right? So, I mean, as you guys can see, it is rose gold. It has the white on the inside, right? If I close it, I am able to see my skincare, see what's inside of it. And this is what drew me to, and it clicks. And it clicks. You push it down, it clicks, and then you just push this out and it opens it up. And this is what drew me to, let me move this plastic. Getting a skincare. I'm gonna put this shelf somewhere where I'm gonna put the shelf at the bottom for now, only because there's no need for me to have it out. So you have the option to, of course, you understand, leave it on or off, but it is in its own secluded place. And like I said, it's not sitting in a super hot or super cold room, and you have no control over it. You understand? So I do really like this, and like I said, you can just pick it up and carry it. Actually, me just doing that has some weight to it. It did have some weight to it, guys. It did. So as I get more skincare stuff, I'm just gonna throw it in there. And like I said, I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it. And as you know, and like not everything you're gonna use. So I would say just put the main things that you know for a fact. If this is your kind of thing, definitely I would say get it. I'm gonna actually link the website in the description, so that way you guys can, you know, see what it's like to have, you know, well, that way you guys can actually, you know, look through the website as well, because they do have other skincare products. I've actually gotten the steamer from them, like the face steamer from them. Really nice. But yes, I hope you guys like this video. Of course, if you guys want your own skincare fridge, right, check out Vanity Planet. Check them out, right? So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you know when I post more videos. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome.